Și-am derulat doar imagini cu el. Și,
a conjunction meaning, and, pronounced,
shee,
similar to the she in English, but with a slightly shorter and less emphatic sound. It connects clauses, sentences, or ideas, showing addition or continuation. In this sentence, it links the previous action to the action of scrolling through images.
am,
The first-person singular form of the auxiliary verb,
a avea,
to have, pronounced,
am,
similar to the English word. It's used to form the perfect tense, indicating that the action of scrolling happened in the past and was completed.
derulat,
The past participle of the verb,
a derula,
to scroll, pronounced,
derulat,
with the stress on the first syllable and a soft
te,
It describes the action of scrolling through something, like images on a screen.
doar,
An adverb meaning only, or just, pronounced,
doar,
similar to the English word dwarf, but without the final f sound. It limits the scope of the action, specifying that only images were scrolled.
imagini,
The plural form of
imagine,
image, pronounced,
imagine,
with the stress on the second syllable. It refers to the pictures or visual content that was scrolled through.
cu,
A preposition meaning with, pronounced,
co,
similar to the English coo sound. It indicates the association or involvement of someone or something. In this case, it shows that the images were related to
el,
a pronoun meaning him, pronounced,
el,
a short, simple sound. It refers to a male person previously mentioned in the context. Putting it together
și-am derulat doar imagini cu el.
means, and I only scrolled through images of him. It describes a specific past action of looking at pictures of a particular person.